Nice, but just a little bit too much sour. You want to give me pressure?
Sorry.
Don't worry yourself. It's a very good first attempt.
Little bit of salt next time.
So, when last I hear from my mother?
Every day.
Every day?
As my read school, she call me, and as my left school, she call me.
So, she not call you when you're home?
Sometimes.
So how many hear when she call?
She said must tell you.
So you keep secret from me now?
No, but she said must come my room when you talk to her.
She just a bit childish.
Can't bother with you and mama. You not stress me.
See, I grew up too fast, you know? You can't really keep it.
What a breeze you're going through. What one?
Boss, morning. I'm not seeing an assignment coming for this morning.
There's nothing on the roster over the agency. Can I get none from the commission?
No. I'm not getting.
Well, baby's a rest day.
Bossy, at Christmas, you know, enough things are going on the street. Must have something for them.
Whisper, take a little free day now and relax yourself.
I just feel kind of weird, you know?
The day just started. You might get location before the day done.
Hope so. I want to ask you something, boss. What do you think about what going with Annie's?
I linked to her yesterday now until I said I want to talk to her. But she did a wash and then when she reach up at the shop get busy and things. So today she gonna link me. So me gonna make she talk to her because me think something deeper than what we think I go on.
Same way, I pray to you, know.
I'm not talking to Tony and we make you know. Alright? I'm gonna need her to go back up there.
Oh, so you want me to roll with her?
No. Make Tony and deal with it. Because when me and you are around, she feel intimidated. So make Tony and handle it.
Okay. Move as man. Hold on, the bossy. Bossy, I'll show you later, yeah?
Alright, yeah man, handle your business. Cool.
Destiny! Who the outside?
I don't know, that's why I go check.
What me tell you about answering the door?
Always check his who first.
By doing what?
Check the monitor in my room.
Good. So now, go in your room. Maybe answer the door.
You check who's out there?
Just go on in.